Hello, my name is Silvana. This is my daughter Cinzia.
Hello.
On my previous video, I showed her how to make a nice espresso at home. Today, I'm showing her how to make a nice cappuccino. So,
don't you need the milk steamer to make cappuccino?
No, there's no need. Just pour the milk in the pan and warm it up on the stove, please.
All right.
You know, there are people that are convinced that to have a nice cappuccino, you need very hot milk. But it's not true. Just warm it up and you see that your cappuccino will be very nice. So, it's warm?
Yes.
Okay.
Here's the warm milk. All right.
Good. So, before going to the milk, let's first start with coffee.
Okay.
So, we need to be balanced when we make cappuccino. Not too much milk or too much coffee.
Okay.
So, usually what I do is put the coffee in the little cup that we use for espresso. Yes, like this. And then pour the coffee in the cup for the cappuccino. Yes. Thank you. So, to froth the milk, I like this cafetiera with the plunger.
Okay.
So, you put...
So should I pour it in there?
Yes, please. So when you put the lid on, look if yes it's closed. Yes,
yeah?
Otherwise.
Okay.
So now give a nice go. You see it's starting to froth. Yes. Now you can pour the milk inside the cup.
Alright.
You can even remove the lid if you like, so the froth will come out nicely. There. Fill up the cup. Good. Okay. So now for the final touch, we'll ask Antoine to come here. Come, Antoine. Okay, good. Okay, and take a pinch of cocoa and put it on the cappuccino. Nice. Okay. So cappuccino is ready now.
Okay.
Thank you, Antoine.
So now you can try it.
So Antoine, time to test it. Very nice.